Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, doing something a little bit different. Basically everything else that we've done on the car has all been aesthetic and not really performance. Today we're doing the first performance upgrade, and I say that in big air quotes because it probably won't do anything, it might actually hurt it. But today we're doing the cold air intake, or at least starting it. It should just be today, I hope. I really don't want to do this over 2 days, but got the intake right here. It's got the box, then the tube, and then a bunch of other stuff. I am going to use a little sound recorder thingy to do a sound test, because that's mostly what it'll change. But yeah, without further ado, I guess we may as well just get started. It is hot as blazes out and the sun is like right in my face, so it'll be a pain, but yeah, let's get started. So right now you are seeing me through the camera but hearing me through this thing. This is, I think it's binaural maybe, but it has a couple of the little microphone things, so it yeah, you can't really see, can you? But it's one of these things. You've probably seen them before. But basically it just records audio better, and what I'm going to do with it is record the sound that the engine makes, because that is mostly what is going to change. So I know for sure that I'm going to have to take out the battery, and I'm pretty sure all of this here is going to go. So, yeah, I guess I may as well just get started with that. I also have to take out this. So, yeah, let's get started with that. Alrighty, so little progress report. We got the battery out and we got the cover off, so you can see that the head there, it's got a bit of oil on it, but I don't know if that's like normal, but yeah, that's what that looks like. Which yeah, got the battery out. Next up, I think it's going to be getting this stuff out. Alright, so as you can see all around like this right here, this just comes this way and then comes right up here. This is where the stock intake goes. That obviously goes into this airbox thing. I'm pretty sure what we're doing is we take it off from here and then just get rid of all of that, and then it goes like down in here somewhere. So yeah, we will we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I've run into a little bit of a problem already, and you'll never guess, just like every single other problem that I've run into with this car, it has to do with rust. So the first thing that we're supposed to remove is this right here. It's rusted, and when I try to turn it, it just takes the whole thing with it. So as you can see, I've turned it that way and it just brought that whole thing up, which obviously is not good. Then the other thing that we're supposed to remove is this one right here, and it does the exact same thing. So I don't exactly know what I'm going to do except drown it in penetrating fluid and see if that helps. Alrighty, so just another quick little update. Got all of the old intake stuff out of here. You can tell there's a lot more room. So yeah, now time to start working on the new stuff, which will hopefully be not as confusing, but I'm not getting my hopes up. Alright, yep, back to time lapse. Hey, welcome back to Not Time Lapse. So, as you guys probably noticed, I was struggling quite a bit with the MAF sensor and it not wanting to go in. So, kind of did some thinking and some rethinking, possibly. Before I say that, today is Monday, so I was busy with 4th of July stuff over the weekend, so I wasn't able to start doing anything until now. But the thing isn't going to work, and there's no way I'm going to be able to finish it before Wednesday, because I have to edit it and all that stuff before then. But possibly a bit of a change of plans. So, I have it all covered up right now, but the way that the pipe goes is it comes out over here, it goes under that, and then it goes down into there, which is like behind the fender, like right here. I don't know if that would be the best spot, because it says that you have to remove the splash guard, some splash guard. The instructions are really not very good. I don't think they don't have any pictures and they don't tell you what anything is. But the it doesn't seem like it's in a very good spot for water. And obviously I don't want water to get in there, because then the engine would hydrolock and that's bad. So thought of something else, which is cutting the pipe probably about here, and then having the filter sit somewhere here. And then what I could do is I could cut the hood liner and then cut a hole in the hood, and then just have a little something here. So, one way or another, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that thing, like the way it is, where it goes down there. I don't think that's a very good spot, so I'm going to think of some way that I can fit it somewhere else, and we might end up just taking off the bumper and stuff too, so you can see a little bit better, because we're going to do that anyway, so may as well. But yeah, for now I think that's going to be it for this video. I think I'm going to put the thing back on this just in case it does rain. I don't think it's supposed to, but just in case, that's why I have the plastic stuffed in the intake throttle body area thingy. So I'm going to cover the engine, the head cover back up with water protector thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I wouldn't really recommend one of these eBay intakes unless it's like super simple. Like this seems like it's got a lot more steps than I was expecting. It wanted me to take it off right from the throttle body, and I have to do like stuff with the MAF and all that, which is not fun. But the other problem was the vacuum line that they gave me, that one over there, does not fit the stock hose clamps, which are down there, and they say to use those. But yeah, for now, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I might make an addendum tomorrow while I'm editing if I have some sort of epiphany, but for now, until next video, I will see you guys later. Peace.